The creation of the Audi R8 V10 Performance, a 620 horsepower supercar, begins in a carefully controlled environment where engineering precision meets handcrafted excellence. The journey starts with raw aluminum sheets and composite materials arriving at the plant. These materials are transported to the stamping and shaping area, where high-pressure machines form the lightweight body panels. Unlike many mass-produced cars, the R8 relies heavily on Audi's space frame structure, made of aluminum and carbon fiber. Robotic arms and skilled technicians shape each component, ensuring every curve and angle aligns with the aerodynamic design that gives the R8 its unmistakable silhouette. When the panels are ready, they move to the body construction area where expert welders and advanced robots work side by side. The completed body shell then enters the paint shop, which is sealed from dust and contaminants to protect the delicate finish. Before painting, the body is dipped in anti-corrosion baths that coat every corner, even the hidden areas that cannot be reached by hand. After drying, a layer of primer is applied by robotic sprayers that move with flawless consistency. Once smoothed and cured, the base color often, a vibrant metallic shades layered onto the body in multiple fine coats. Each sweep of paint is applied with surgical precision, ensuring depth, shine, and uniformity. A protective clear coat follows, giving the R8 its signature glossy finish and shielding it from UV light, road debris, and harsh conditions. The body then enters a curing oven where heat solidifies the layers into a durable surface worthy of a super. While the painted body advances along the line, another part of the factory focuses on bringing the heart of the R8 to life. The 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 engine is hand-assembled by specialized technicians. Pistons, crankshafts, valves, and fuel systems are installed with absolute precision, creating one of the most iconic engines in modern automotive history. Every engine undergoes rigorous bench testing, where it is fired up and measured for performance, noise levels, oil pressure, and throttle response. The dual-clutch transmission is assembled nearby. As the chassis arrives on the main assembly line, technicians begin installing the intricate wiring harnesses that connect every electronic and digital function. The cockpit of the R8 starts to take shape with the installation of the digital virtual cockpit display. Carbon fiber trims, sport seats, and Alcantara surfaces. Every stitch, bolt, and panel is hand-checked for perfection. The dashboard is mounted and performance software systems are loaded, preparing the car for dynamic driving modes and advanced safety features. The attention to detail inside the R8 reflects its status as a premium supercar. Every element must feel as refined as it performs. Next, the drivetrain is brought into position for the marriage process. Using precision machinery, the V10 engine and transmission are lifted and aligned perfectly with the frame. Once fitted, technicians secure it with exact torque specifications, ensuring structural harmony and long-term durability. Suspension components, including the magnetic ride dampers and performance springs, are installed with the same level of precision. Lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in high-grip performance tires are mounted, giving the R8 the handling needed for speeds exceeding 300 km per hour. High-performance brakes with large ventilated discs and sport calipers are added, ensuring stopping power matches the vehicle's incredible acceleration. Once the main assembly is complete, the car enters the electronics and sensor calibration zone. Cameras, radars, and driver assistance modules are tested and aligned using advanced calibration tools. Technicians connect the R8 to diagnostic systems that scan every electronic function, from stability control to launch control. If a system does not perform within the required parameters, the car is pulled aside for further adjustments, ensuring every feature responds perfectly before the car moves forward. Following electronic validation, the R8 enters the water leak test chamber. High-pressure jets drench the vehicle from all angles, simulating extreme rain conditions. Technicians inspect for even the smallest trace of water. Any leak triggers immediate correction. Once cleared, the vehicle advances to the rolling road dyno test, where the wheels spin at high speeds while technicians listen for vibrations. Check engine behavior, evaluate transmission response, and ensure smooth acceleration across the RPM range. Only after passing this stage is the R8 taken to the outdoor testing track. At the track, skilled drivers push the Audi R8 V10 Performance through a series of demanding tests: rapid acceleration, hard braking, sharp cornering, and high-speed straights. They analyze steering precision, suspension balance, throttle sensitivity, and overall driving feel. This testing ensures the car delivers the adrenaline-fueled performance expected from a 620 horsepower super. Once approved, the vehicle returns to the factory for the final inspection, where experts study paint quality, panel alignment, interior craftsmanship, and every detail that defines the R8's premium standard. With all checks complete, the R8 receives a final polish and detailing. It is then moved to the delivery zone where it stands ready for transport. From raw aluminum to a roaring super. The entire process combines art, engineering, and human craftsmanship. The Audi R8 V10 performance emerges from the factory as a machine built with precision, passion, and perfection, ready to become one of the most thrilling driving experiences on the road.